Hello again, my name is Lincoln Davis, Oscar Sistrunks 925, MIS, Management Information Systems course. Today we want to be tackling part 2, or question number 2, um, in the homework, saying, or stating, um, create a pivot table for the number of homes in each city that were sold for $1 million or more. So this problem is a little bit less tricky, but you do have to have a kind of fundamental knowledge of how pivot tables work. So in here we will be going here, like how we did the last time. We have a blank pivot table sheet. If you did not know from the last video, what we have to do in order to create a pivot table is click here, the drop down box. You'll click the pivot chart, click that. What you'll do is it'll highlight basically all the data in these areas here. You see this perforated line here surrounding the data. We would click that, hit OK, and then what it should do is create another pivot table. But since we already have one pivot table down here in this area, in pivot table 1, we'll click that. From there, we are going to basically separate this information in order to achieve what we're trying to find in our data set. So what we're trying to discover is the amount of homes in each city that are sold for $1 million or more. So we have 4 boxes here: columns labels, values, row labels, and report filter. Report filter will be our main objective for today. So we're going to go to city. We're going to put that in the row labels. Okay. We have Atlantic Beach, Baldwin, Jacksonville Beach, and Neptune Beach. Now from there, what we're going to do is we're going to insert sales price into the report filter. Now, as you can see, what was highlighted here, or what has appeared here, is the sales price. And here from this drop down box, we see all of these values here. Sales price, all of these values. Let me cancel this out 1 second and see if I can change these values. So I'll go to field settings, number format. We want to go to currency. We want to hit OK. I'm going to hit OK again, and I think this should give us actual values with dollar signs. Correct. So what we have here now is values with dollar signs. So we have the dollar sign here with 2 decimal points. We want to click off this all, because this is basically giving us all sales prices, all values of sale prices, $100,000 and up. So from there, we want to scroll down, grab this, drag here, scroll all the way down, and typically this is the area that you'll find all the houses in the $1 million range. So we have all the way up to here. Above that, we have a house for $998,000. Just missed the mark. So what we want to do is click this. We want to click, make sure this is selected, select multiple items. We want to click this. Just continue to click all the way down. All of these prices are above $1 million. So we want to keep clicking down. Select all of these. Hit OK or enter, and you can see here what happened. There's only 4 cities now. Prior to them there was 5, because the data set that we have entered is not fitting. Has now only fit a select few of zip codes that we have. So what we can do from here is we can go to zip codes, we can go to values, and this is the account of the amount of zip codes in each area that has the price of the price of $1 million or more. That'll be Atlantic Beach has 7 zip codes that fit the criteria of $1 million or more. Jacksonville has 48 houses that fits the criteria of $1 million or more. Jacksonville Beach has 5 properties that fits the criteria of $1 million or more, and Neptune Beach has 4 properties that have $1 million or more on the property listing. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I I enjoyed the time that we spent together, and have a great day.